Everyone's frying bread rolls after discovering this genius idea. Let's start by frying some bread rolls here. We'll fry them until golden on both sides. Once done, we'll remove and let them drain. Now, in a bowl with 200 g of dark chocolate, I'll add 100 g of cream and microwave until melted. This will be the perfect consistency for our ganache, nice and firm. Now, we'll transfer it to a piping bag. In a bowl with sugar, we'll add a bit of cinnamon. Then we'll mix it well with our hands. Now, we'll roll all our bread rolls in this sugar. Next, we'll take our bread roll and split it in half. Then we'll pipe our ganache filling inside. Remember, you can use any filling you prefer. I'm using ganache, but you could also use dulce de leche. It's up to you. Once that's done, just enjoy. Look how incredible it is, guys. So delicious. Make it at home. I'm sure everyone will love it. I hope you enjoyed this. This was another recipe from Pobre na Cozinha. Big hugs to you all. See you next time. Thanks.